Hey there, homeowners! Are you ready to transform your kitchen? Here are the top 11 kitchen hardware trends for 2024 that will take your space from drab to fab. First up, contrasting colors. Pair dark hardware with light cabinets or vice versa for a striking visual impact. It's all about creating a bold statement. Next, jewel-toned hardware. Think vibrant accents like cerulean, crimson, or emerald. These colors give your kitchen a modern twist. Then there's sparkling finishes. Gold, silver, or even crystal finishes can add a touch of elegance to any cabinet. It's all about that sparkle. If you love a farmhouse vibe, rustic finishes are for you. Muted materials like brushed brass or oiled bronze bring warmth and character. Classic knob handles are timeless. Shapes like squares, circles, and pyramids add interest without overwhelming the design. For a sleek and modern look, elegant pulls blend seamlessly with your cabinets. They're perfect for a streamlined, contemporary feel. Why not mix things up with mixed hardware styles? Combining knobs and pulls creates a dynamic aesthetic that's both functional and stylish. Minimalist hardware is all about subtlety. Built-in or low-profile handles let your cabinetry shine. Want to focus attention on those beautiful knobs and pulls? Hidden hinges will do the trick. They keep the focus where it belongs. For a balanced look, discrete hinges that match your hardware are a great choice. They blend in perfectly, creating harmony. And finally, decorative hinges. Let ornate hinges make a bold statement, especially in simpler kitchens. Explore these trends to elevate your kitchen's look. And don't forget to consult Current Cabinetry for expert design help in Baltimore, Maryland. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips.